Hey you guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. My name is Sam and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making another super cozy weeknight dinner. I cooked this on Sunday, so technically it's a Sunday supper. However, we're going to get right into this. We're going to be making a roast chicken, some mac and cheese, and some stewed green beans, just a delicious Sunday supper. So we're going to start out with the roast chicken because it's going to take the longest. You're just going to chop up an onion, throw that into a pan. I'm using a cast iron Dutch oven, but you can use a pan with some tin foil. It will work just fine. So you're going to dice up those onions, toss those into the pan, and you're going to season up your chicken. You can use whatever kind of seasonings you like, but the recipe for this roast chicken I will leave in the description box down below for you guys, as well as all of the other recipes. So you're going to season that chicken up however you like: garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, pepper, a little bit of parsley is what I used. I added about a half a cup of chicken broth, and I'm putting that in a 350 degree oven, and we're going to cook that for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. In the meantime, we're going to make some mac and cheese. We love mac and cheese around here, so I make it quite a lot. So in my pan, I've got some boiling water, and you want to make sure you salt the water when you add in your pasta, so that way the pasta is super flavorful. Once that's going and cooking, we can make our cheese sauce. So in a pan, you're going to add about a half a stick of butter, about 2 tablespoons of flour. And you're going to mix that around and let that cook for about a minute or so. And then you're going to slowly whisk in about a cup to a cup and a half of milk. And then make sure it's all nice and smooth. You're going to add in some salt, pepper, some Dijon mustard, a little bit of nutmeg, and you're going to stir that around, get that all nice and smooth. And then you're going to slowly add in your cheese a little bit at a time until it's nice and melted and completely smooth. Now you can set that to the side. We're going to drain our pasta, put that back into the pan. Now, my camera died, so I didn't get the clip of adding the sauce to the pasta. But what you're going to do is you're going to add the sauce to the pasta, and then you're going to take a little bit of that pasta and kind of mix it around in about 1 to 2 eggs, depending on the size of your families, how many eggs you're going to make. And then you're just going to add that, stir it around, make sure it's, tempered really well, and you're going to add that back into your pasta, mix that around, and you're going to add that into a buttered baking dish. You're going to top it with more cheese, because what is mac and cheese without cheese? More cheese and more cheese on the top. So you're going to add some more cheese, and you're going to pop that in the oven, and you're going to let that cook for about 25 minutes or so, just until the pasta is nice and bubbly and the cheese is golden and melty on top. In the meantime, we're going to make some stewed green beans. I love how this all comes together and it's all pretty much done at the same time. So easy. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the stewed green beans. This takes about 20 minutes. So I'm adding some bacon grease. You can do like chop up your own pieces of bacon and fry those off if you want to. I didn't have any thawed out today, so I just used bacon grease. Added the frozen green beans, or you can do canned, whatever you have on hand. I added some chicken broth, and then I just stirred that around, added a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I just let that cook until it's stewed green beans. They're nice and soft and very flavorful. So I took the roast chicken out and I made a gravy. I just added a little bit of cornstarch to about a 1/4 cup of water and kind of whisked that in to the juices of the chicken, and everything was done. Right about the same time, I think I just had to wait like 5 minutes on the green beans, but everything else was done. And we're going to go ahead and make our plate. So I've got the roast chicken on the plate, and you guys, this chicken was so delicious. Added some mac and cheese, the stewed green beans, and I topped that off with a little bit of that delicious gravy. You guys, this was so good. But this is going to be all for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.